This is an exercise mobility drill where we are going to lengthen the hip flexors all while activating those glutes. This will lead the way to much harder workouts in the future. So get into position by starting on your hands and knees and get one leg straight behind you, and you want to focus on squeezing that glute. Strengthen that back leg while focusing on keeping the glute squeezed, and squeeze the glutes tight and press the leg up and come down, and then try the other side. To advance this exercise and make it a little bit more tricky, what you'd want to do is bring your hands inside your knee there. So place it on, basically the hands on the inside of that bent knee.